Greeting. This is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can use column right here in our Microsoft Word document right here. If you notice, we have actually one of four pages right here. We're going to look how we're going to use the different types of column. And if you stick to the end, you will learn how to use the different types of column. Right? So the first thing that you wanted to do is come right up here to the layout. It depends on the version of Microsoft Word that you're using. You might have to click on the word page layout. But this one is layout. I'm going to click on layout. Now when you click on layout, right, you notice exactly what you see come up is a ribbon. So here you go, is column. So you're going to click on this pointer here. You notice we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have left, and we have right. Right, so presently it's on 1. So when you click on 2, you notice it actually separated like this and give you a 2 column. And if you go back again, I want a 3. You notice it's operating 3. So sometimes you go inside a book and you see 3 different, you want to exactly how them get it. So this is exactly how it look like, right? So if I go back again, notice that this one to the left, but if you notice the majority contents is to the right. I notice to the left, right? I go back again, and now I'm going to click on to the right. If you notice, most of the content is back to the left right here. So this is one of the way I can actually use column right in a Microsoft Word document. So if you have learned something from this particular video, just remember to share it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.